Hey Justin, I'll be back. I just need to brew some tea. No big deal. Okay. Hey Max, Maya. Hi everybody. Alexi, Taz, Jennifer, Ethan, Ali, Vicky. Hey Bruno. Hey Nick. Let's start in 2 minutes. I mean, this shouldn't take really long at all because instead of regular class, or instead of tuning into the stream, your work today will be to complete an online mini lab, the same one I said I would give over the weekend, but I decided to change the schedule and just give it during the week because I think that'll be easier for a lot of you and just a little less stressful. Yeah, this is so hot. So today I'm brewing with a Shibarashi Hohen, and it's a really unique kind of thing. I'll show you. It's you put the leaves here and you put water in there, and it's just a cup with a lid, and then you hold the lid on, and then you just pour the tea from there. But I gotta say, it's very difficult to brew with because the cup itself gets really hot. So I'm just looking for a way I can hold this without my fingers burning, and I still haven't found the best way to do it. Hi Esther. Hey Nick. Okay, so I think that's about enough time. This is like 11:05. There's 17 of us, and the rest of us. I mean, I am going to be giving real instructions soon that you can just read. So the video isn't really unnecessary. I'm just like doing this video just to like catch up with you guys, and say hello. Hey Rosie, it's good to see you. Aaron, oh, my wonderful Aaron. All right, so today we are going to do the lab that we were going to do over the weekend, but I just didn't want to give you work over the weekend, and I was too lazy to email you saying relax. So for those of you who are anxiously waiting the whole time for the assignment over the weekend, I'm sorry. Hi, Alex. But here it is. So we've gone over a couple things. We've gone over reflection. We've gone over interference. And I just want to remind you, just like what we're going to do is going to be based on those two things in particular. In particular, we're going to send a wave through a string, and it's going to be a continuous wave. So it's going to keep going, and I'm just going to keep shaking. So at first there'll be one crest and it's going, and then there'll be two crests, and then there'll be three crests, and then there'll be four crests, and they're all just moving together here. They're going to hit a wall, okay? And then after they hit the wall, it'll get reflected. So I'm going to have two waves in the same rope. I'm going to have the original wave going this way, and I'm going to have the reflected wave going this way. So I'm going to have an interference pattern the whole time ever since it hits the wave and stuff. Okay, so that's the first thing I'll do. And that's just going to be our brief introduction on standing waves and how interference and reflection can work at the same time. They're not going to be, this is not a problem where you look at, oh, like, what's interference? Or like, oh, how's it reflecting? Like, this is a problem or a really important concept, especially in music, that looks at both of these phenomena together and how they work together to make one standing wave. Okay, so that's it. I'm just gonna leave it at that. Expect it. I'm finishing it right now, so I think it should be in Google Classrooms by noon, and you have until tomorrow morning to finish it. So that is going to count as class, right? Doing the lab counts as class. So I don't want you to think about this as like I only have half a day to do my homework. No, you have a whole 12 hours to do your classwork. Yeah? All right. Okay. I'll see you guys tomorrow when we can talk about this and review it and just kind of discuss it together, right? So until then, sayonara, and I'll see you later.